Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. In this video, we will see miscellaneous exercise in inverse trigonometric functions from question number 9. Ninth question. Prove that tan inverse root x equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. X belongs to 0, 1. Now we are going to select suitable x equal to tan square theta. Then tan theta, when you are taking square root on both sides, you will be getting tan theta equal to root x. Then theta equal to tan will become tan inverse. So theta equal to tan inverse root x. We will take RHS. RHS equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Now substitute x here. So 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. This is the formula for cos 2 theta. So cos inverse of cos 2 theta, cos inverse and cos will get cancelled. So the remaining is 2 theta. Now cancel 2 and 2, you will be getting theta. Theta equal to tan inverse root x. So that is the required LHS. Hence the proof is over. Now we will see question number 10. Question number 10. Prove that cot inverse of root of 1 plus sin x plus 1 minus sin x by root of 1 plus sin x minus root of 1 minus sin x equal to x by 2. X belongs to 0, pi by 4. Now we will take this expressions alone. We are going to rationalizing the denominator by multiplying, dividing with its conjugate. So conjugate means we need to change the sign. Here minus, so here plus. Now this is of the form a plus b into a plus b. So a plus b the whole square. Denominator is a minus b into a plus b. So the formula is a square minus b square. Now numerator a plus b the whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. ab is nothing but root of 1 plus sin x into root of 1 minus sin x. When you multiply these two, you will be getting root of 1 minus sin square x. And we know that 1 minus sin square x is cos square x. Root of cos square x is cos x. So 1 plus 1 is 2 plus sin x and minus sin x will get cancelled. So the numerator will become 2 plus 2 cos x and the denominator is plus 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled. Sin x plus sin x is 2 sin x. Now we are going to take 2 common. So when you take 2 common, you will be getting 1 plus cos x in the numerator and 2 sin x as usual in the denominator. Now cancel 2. Then 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2, that is identity. Sin x is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Now cancel the common. Cos and cos, you will be getting cos x by 2 by sin x by 2, that is cot x by 2. So when we simplify this expressions, we are getting cot x by 2 as answer. Now we are going to apply cot inverse on both sides because that is the required LHS. So apply cot inverse on both sides. So cot inverse, that expression is equal to, the answer for that expression is cot x by 2. So we are applying cot inverse. So cot inverse of, answer for this expression is cot x by 2. So cot inverse and cot will get cancelled. So the remaining is x by 2, that is the required RHS. So this is a required proof. Once again you go through it. Now we will go through question number 11. Question number 11. Prove that tan inverse root of 1 plus x minus root of 1 minus x divided by root of 1 plus x plus root of 1 minus x equal to pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 cos inverse x, and the range of x is minus 1 by root 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. And in the textbook it is given that hint x equal to cos 2 theta. So we will take x equal to cos 2 theta, then cos will become cos inverse x, then 2 will become as a denominator. So theta equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse x. Now take this expressions alone in the LHS. So now we are going to substitute x equal to cos 2 theta in that expression. So root of 1 plus cos 2 theta minus 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 1 plus cos 2 theta 1 minus cos 2 theta. The formula for this is 2 cos square theta and 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta. Then apply it in both numerator and the denominator. Now square and square root will get cancelled. 2 will become root 2. So root 2 cos theta minus root 2 sin theta. Denominator root 2 cos theta minus root 2 sin theta. Root 2 plus root 2 sin theta. Now take root 2 common and cancel it. Then you will be getting cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta. So now take cos theta common, then you will be getting 1 minus sin by cos is tan theta by, if you take cos common, you will be getting 1 plus tan theta. Now, so the answer for this expression is 1 minus tan theta plus 1 plus tan theta. So now apply tan inverse on both sides. Tan inverse, this expression is equal to tan inverse, write this expression here, 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. So now this is of the form tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, because x minus y by 1 plus xy. Here x is 1 and y is tan theta. So tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. So tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse tan theta. So we know that the value of tan inverse 1 is pi by 4 minus tan inverse and tan will get cancelled. The remaining is theta. So pi by 4 minus theta equal to pi by 4, theta is 1 by 2 cos inverse x. So pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 cos inverse x, that is the required RHS. So the proof is over. Now we will see question number 12. Question number 12. Prove that 9 pi by 8 minus 9 by 4 sin inverse 1 by 3 equal to 9 by 4 sin inverse 2 root 2 by 3. Now we will take LHS. LHS equal to 9 pi by 8 minus 9 by 4 sin inverse 1 by 3. What is the common in this two expression? You will be getting 9 by 4, take 9 by 4 outside. You will be getting pi by 2 minus sin inverse 1 by 3. We know the formula, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. So pi by 2 minus sin inverse 1 by 3 is cos inverse 1 by 3. But this is not the required RHS. RHS we need in terms of sin inverse x. So we need to change cos inverse into sin inverse. So the right angle triangle, cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. So 1 by 3. So opposite side is 2 root 2 by using Pythagoras property. Now we can convert cos inverse as sin inverse. Sin inverse opposite by hypotenuse 2 root 2 by 3. That is the required RHS. Now we will go through question number 13. Solve the following. For the following questions we are going to find out the x value. So here it is given 2 tan inverse cos x equal to tan inverse 2 cosecant x. Directly we cannot cancel tan inverse x on both sides, tan inverse, because here it is 2 tan inverse. We need to convert 2 tan inverse as tan inverse by applying the formula. So tan inverse, the formula for 2 tan inverse x is tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. Here x is cos x. Now we are applying the formula, tan inverse 2 cos x by 1 minus cos square x equal to, as it is, tan inverse 2 cosecant x. Now we can cancel tan inverse and tan inverse on both sides. So the remaining is 2 cos x by 1 minus cos square x is sin square x equal to 2 cosecant x. Now what is common in both the sides? 2 and 2. You can cancel 2 and 2, then cross multiply sin square x. So cos x equal to cosecant x into sin square x, and we know that cosecant x is 1 by sin x. So we can cancel sin square and sin, the remaining is sin x. So cos x equal to sin x, then transpose this one, you will be getting sin by cos equal to 1. Sin by cos is nothing but tan x. Tan x equal to 1, x equal to tan inverse 1. The value for tan inverse, the respective angle is pi by 4. So the value of x is pi by 4. So now we will see question number 14. Question number 14. Tan inverse 1 by x by 1 plus x equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse x. Now see LHS. Here it is of the form tan inverse A minus tan inverse B. Here A minus B by 1 minus AB. So instead of writing this step, we can use formula tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse x equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse x. So now we can transpose this tan inverse x to the opposite side. So the value for tan inverse 1 is pi by 4 minus tan inverse x will become plus tan inverse. When you simplify these two, you will be getting 3 by 2 tan inverse x. So pi by 4 equal to 3 by 2 tan inverse x. Now transpose this one, 3 by 2 will become 2 by 3 in the opposite side. So pi by 4 into 2 by 3 equal to tan inverse x. So when you cancel this, you will be getting tan inverse x equal to pi by 6. Tan inverse will become tan. So x equal to tan pi by 6. The value for tan pi by 6 is 1 by root 3. So the value for x is 1 by root 3. Now we will see question number 15, that is objective. Sine of tan inverse x where modulus of x less than 1 is equal to, we are going to find out what is the value of this expression. Sine tan inverse x. So tan inverse x, tan is, draw right angle triangle, tan is opposite by adjacent, so here x, so opposite is x, adjacent is 1. Now we will find the hypotenuse by using Pythagoras property, that is root of 1 plus x square. Now we can write tan inverse in terms of sine inverse. Sine inverse opposite by hypotenuse, x by root of 1 plus x square. Sine and sine inverse will get cancelled. The remaining is x by root of 1 plus x square, that is nothing but option D. So correct answer is option D. Now we will see next objective. Now objective question number 16. Sine inverse 1 minus x minus 2 sine inverse x equal to pi by 2. Then what is the x value? That is the question. And options are 0, 1 by 2, 1 and 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2. Instead of solving this question by selecting x as some trigonometric functions, better we will go in reverse. We will start with option 1. We will substitute the values given in option, then we will check whether it is correct or wrong. Now take option A, substitute x value as 0, sine inverse 1 minus 0 minus 2 sine inverse 0. Take LHS. Now we are going to check whether we are getting RHS as answer or not. Now check sine inverse 1 minus 0 is sine inverse 1 and the answer is pi by 2. Sine inverse 0 is 0. The respective angle is 0. So 2 into 0, 0. So the answer is pi by 2. Right? Equal to RHS. But in the option A, one more value is given, that is 1 by 2. We need to check that also. Now substitute x equal to 1 by 2. Here we are getting 1 minus 1 by 2 as 1 by 2. And sine inverse 1 by 2. Here 2 sine inverse 1 by 2. Now when you simplify these two, you are getting minus sine inverse 1 by 2. And the respective angle for this is minus pi by 6. That is not equal to RHS. So this is not the correct option. So option A is wrong. Now we will see option B. Option B is 1 and 1 by 2. Already we have checked for 1 by 2. When you substitute x equal to 1 by 2, we are not getting correct answer. Here 1 is given, so we will substitute 1 now. Sine inverse 1 minus 1 minus 2 sine inverse 1. Sine inverse 0 minus 2. The respective angle for sine inverse 1 is pi by 2. So cancel these two. You will be getting 0 minus pi minus pi. So that is not equal to pi by 2. So option B is also wrong. Already we have checked for 1 by 2. Now we will check for C option. LHS equal to sine inverse 1 minus 0 minus 2 sine inverse 0. So sine inverse 1 minus the entire term will become 0 because sine inverse 0 is 0. So sine inverse 1 is pi by 2. That is the required RHS. Okay. Now we will check option D. D is 1 by 2. Already we have checked for 1 by 2. We didn't get the correct answer. So the correct option is option C, that is pi by 2. Now we will see question number 17. Tan inverse x by y minus tan inverse x minus y by x plus y is equal to. So now you apply tan inverse x minus tan inverse y formula. You will be getting answer as option C, that is pi by 4. So now miscellaneous exercise is over. Just go through all the examples and go through all the exercise problem. We'll see next chapter in the next video. Thank you.